Hi, my name is Anna Abel, and today's date is April 14th, 2019. I'm talking quietly because I have a sleeping dog and boyfriend over here who are taking me to the airport in 20 minutes. So today I'll be talking about the digestive system and listing off, to begin with, the structures that make up the digestive tract, or the gastrointestinal tract, GI tract, same difference. And the important ones would be, off my list, the mouth, the esophagus, the lower esophageal sphincter, the stomach, the small intestine, and the large intestine. Also included are the liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. Yeah. And the alimentary, I don't know how to say that, sorry. So pretend I ate a cheeseburger, or in my case, an hour ago, lettuce wraps. First, I chew it with my mouth. The teeth are not part of the digestive system, but the tongue is, and the salivary glands, which help start to break down the food. And then, I guess when you swallow, it's your esophagus, which I didn't know. That's kind of cool. And it automatically knows what to do. And then your sphincter, the esophageal sphincter, it opens up whenever there's food, letting things pass down into the stomach. Just contracts, and what's the opposite? Oh dear. Contracts, and you get the point. The sphincter, it relaxes. Contracts and relaxes, and it stays closed to keep whatever's in your stomach from going anywhere else. The stomach has digestive enzymes in it, like acids, to break down the food that you have eaten. The cheeseburger or the lettuce wrap or anything you want. And it's called chyme or chyme, I don't know. But then it pushes into your small intestine, and contrary to popular belief, I cannot speak today. Travel crazies. The small intestine actually breaks down more food than the stomach, which I feel like that's just not common knowledge, but that's pretty cool. Let's see. The small intestine digests the nutrients and push them into your bloodstream. It also absorbs water quite a bit. And let's see. Then it moves to your large intestine, which is where most of the waste comes out, the unused rest of the food, or whatever the case may be, after the nutrients and water is absorbed. Granted, the large intestine absorbs the most water, more water than any other intestine in the digestive system. So then it creates, compact waste, essentially, with whatever's left, and then that compact waste is moved through the rectum, better known as poop, which is kind of crazy, and all these whiny intestines that there's room for that. Such a trip. And through all that digestive, tract and whatever, the main thing is that the food gets broken down, and our bodies are able to absorb the nutrients and the minerals and vitamins and anything else that comes from the food. And they're spread all over the body. It's what sustains us. All right, well, that is my speech for the day. I'm off to Nashville, and I'll see you next week.